Long Beach, California. Rainbow juices. About to try this Nirvana. Just got off my cruise. Feel like I ate a whole human being. So, I definitely need to detox myself. So, did a quick little Google search, and this is what it came up with. The Nirvana, which has cucumber, celery, spinach, kale, lemon, cilantro, and ginger. Yeah, let's see how it works out. Could have got another option, maybe one that was sweeter, but I need this stuff out of my life, so I can recharge my system. Shake and enjoy. So, usually I go for the fresh juice, but considering they had it all packaged all nicely in the bottles, tastes like earth. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good. That's awesome. Don't taste like them other green juices that's gritty and just tastes like dirt and garden. Got more, I think, celery than anything, but it's balanced. It's pretty good though. Yep, recommendation. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a good 5 out of 5. Check them out. Long Beach, California, 3rd Street. Rainbow juices. Try the Nirvana. That's my recommendation.